How to save Webpage as a shortcut in Firefox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a web page as a desktop shortcut in Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your Firefox browser. Once you're in the browser, in the search address, you need to type official website on the address bar of which you want to create a desktop shortcut. Then you need to press enter. Now, drag the browser to the middle of the desktop. Then hold the lock icon and drag on the desktop directly. Now, desktop shortcut created of the website successfully, and you can directly access the website from the desktop now. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, connect with us, and then I'll see you in the next video.